Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS K513E. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your ASUS K513E only works when plugged in, it's likely that the battery has degraded and is no longer holding a charge. This issue can occur due to normal wear and tear or prolonged usage. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications or even damage other components of your laptop. To perform the battery replacement, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a new compatible battery for the ASUS K513E. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Lay the laptop on a flat surface and use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, starting from a corner and working your way around. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. Once the back cover is removed, locate the battery, which is typically situated in the center of the device. You'll notice several screws securing the battery in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these, ensuring you keep them safe for reinstallation. As you remove the battery, take note of any cables that may be connected to it. Gently disconnect these cables, applying minimal force to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the same cables you just removed from the old one. Ensure it's securely in place before proceeding to screw it down. Remember to use the same screws you removed earlier and apply just enough torque to secure the battery without over-tightening. Now, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear it click into place. Before powering on your laptop, double-check that everything is securely connected and that there are no stray screws left over. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you're ready, power on your ASUS K513E and check if it's charging correctly. If it is, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly monitor your battery health and avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures. Additionally, try to avoid letting your battery drain completely on a frequent basis. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.